Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, fans, and display panel assembly. Removal. Using a suction cup and a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the display panel from the display enclosure. Lift the display panel until you have access to the display panel cable connector on the back of the display panel. Caution: take care not to scratch the display panel screen. Peel back the retention tape that secures the display panel cable to the display panel and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the display panel. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchscreen ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the touchscreen board. Remove the display panel cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel and remove the display panel. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.